Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and never miss an update from Latestly.
Hi guys, this is latestly.com. I'm Rajat Tripathi and I have with me Jaunpur ke King Anjum Sharma, the breakout star of Mirzapur season 2. Thank you Anjum for taking out this time and talking to me. Welcome to Latestly.
Thank you, Rajat. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay. First of all, I want to ask that you got married in January, then you went on your honeymoon in February, and then the lockdown happened, and you got to spend this time with your partner, this extended time with your partner. How was it? People wish that they get this, but and you actually got to live that time.
It was very different, Rajat, because like it was very different for all of us, in many reasons. But for me, it was because we just had come back from our holiday, and we were still setting up the house. We were doing things in the house, and lockdown happened, and definitely there is a lot of things which we have experienced between each other, and we also used to joke in between that it feels like we have been staying together for at least 5-6 years now. And yeah, so but individually also, Rajat, there was a lot many changes which we went through. Like, I was a very kind of an impulsive guy who used to always be out, trying to do different things work wise and otherwise. uh, but in lockdown, I became a lot more calmer. I started doing different things. I started doing things which were long pending. Like, I always thought of doing something in music. I had
Okay.
instruments in my house. I play flute, but I wanted to try my hands in singing and doing little classical रियाज every day. तो वो लॉकडाउन में शुरू हुआ. मतलब मैं रोज 3 से 4 घंटा रियाज करता था हारमोनियम पे, एंड आई यूज्ड टू रेफर टू ऑल द ट्यूटोरियल्स ऑन यूट्यूब. तो वो एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज रहा. और उसके अलावा भी आपको अपने पर्सनालिटी की लॉट मेनी थिंग्स आई गॉट टू नो. देयर वाज अ डिफरेंट डायमेंशन एंड व्हिच आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड पर्सनली.
As you learned to play musical instrument and learn to sing, do you constantly have to keep evolving as an actor to stay relevant or keep yourself updated?
100%, 100%. And I have always been like that. I have believed in evolution. Like, as an actor, you need to add more layers to your personality. Only then you will be able to, depict all those things, whatever you have learned in your craft and in the work which you do. तो वो एक लगातार एक चीज है जो चलती रहती है. एंड बी इट लैंग्वेज, be
Yeah.
it knowing different things, reading about people, reading about personalities, reading about different things. मेरा पर्सनली भी ये मानना है कि एज एन एक्टर आपके ऊपर लगातार आपके अंदर ऐसी कुछ चीजें यू नीड टू ऐड इन योर पर्सनालिटी. लाइक आप एक्सपोजर जिसको हम कहते हैं, यू रीड न्यू थिंग्स, बी इट म्यूजिक, बी इट आर्ट, बी इट कल्चर, बी इट लिटरेचर. सो ये सारी चीजें लगातार इट्स लाइक एन अपग्रेडेशन विच यू डू इन योर लाइफ, विच यू विल ऑल्सो पुट इन योर वर्क वेन एवर यू डू वट एवर. अगर आपके पास एक्सपोजर नहीं होगा, अगर आपके पास मटीरियल नहीं होगा, आपके पास बेसिकली लाइफ नहीं होगी, then you won't be able to dissect or depict anything. If a script comes to you, a story comes to you, and there is a character who does certain things, but if you don't have any exposure whatsoever, then it will be very difficult for you to interpret it.
Okay.
Prep is a different thing. आप बिल्कुल आप prep करते हैं in whatever character you do, वो एक अलग चीज है. लेकिन एक exposure, एक experience होना बहुत जरूरी है.
So, what exposure and experience helped you play the character in Mirzapur?
See, there is the kind of life I have lived, past 10, 12 years. There has been a constant triest to do different kind of work. I have been active in doing theater.
Okay.
I have traveled a lot with theater. I've traveled in different cities. I've traveled to Banaras, I've traveled to Allahabad, Bhopal, Jabalpur, Rajasthan. So I have traveled in all these cities. Otherwise also I've traveled. So सबसे पहले तो इस कैरेक्टर के लिए आपके पास एक एक्सपोजर है उस जगह का. आप उस जगह पर जा चुके हैं, वहाँ के लोगों को आप देख चुके हैं, सुन चुके हैं. And one interesting thing which I always, you know, thought, and I still think I have, is like I have good ears of, you know, I have good ears to listen and to hear whatever is happening. जो भी चीजें हो रही हैं, जो क्या बातें हो रही हैं, क्या चल रहा है. So it's always been a constant. There's always been a constant learning wherever I go. So even as I said, whenever I used to visit all these places, तो वहाँ पे लोग किस तरह बात कर रहे हैं, किन चीजों पे बात कर रहे हैं, दो लोग जब आपस में बात कर रहे हैं तो किस तरह से बात कर रहे हैं, ये क्या पूछ रहे हैं, ये कैसे जवाब दे रहे हैं, यू नो द वे दे आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू ईच अदर, वो हर जगह बहुत अलग होता है, क्योंकि हर जगह का कल्चर, हर जगह की सोच, हर जगह का फ्लेवर बहुत अलग है. तो ये सारी चीजें, और ये एक दिन या एक महीने, एक साल में नहीं होती है, ये चलती रहती हैं लगातार. यू गो थ्रू देम, यू नो, बाय इन योर प्रोसेस. इट्स लाइक 10-12 years का वो एक निचोड़ है which is there inside your personality, which is there inside you. And जब भी आपके सामने इस तरह की कोई चीज आती है, जैसे मिर्जापुर या शरद शुक्ला जो कैरेक्टर था, बहुत ज्यादा लेयर्ड कंटेंट है, बहुत ज्यादा लेयर्ड कैरेक्टर है, कि बहुत सारी चीजें ही इज कैरिंग. इफ यू हैव सीन द सीरीज, ही इज कैरिंग सो मेनी इमोशंस एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स ऑल थ्रू द सीजन. तो वो सारी चीजें समझना, उनको कैरी करना, उनको सही तरीके से डिपिक्ट करना, वो तभी होगा जब आपका अदरवाइज एक्सपोजर भी एक अलग तरह का है, यू नो. तो कमिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन, कि या मतलब क्योंकि इन जगहों पे पहले जाना हुआ, आपको पता है कि ये जगह कैसी है. सो जब आपने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी और अब आप पढ़ रहे हैं अपना कैरेक्टर या कहानी, तो इमेजेस होती हैं विच कम्स टू योर माइंड, यू नो. And so what you have to do as an actor is you have to create those images in your mind, and then probably once people will see it, people will see those images, the audience will see those images what you're talking about. तो अगर आप जौनपुर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, अगर आप किसी इंसान से बात कर रहे हैं, if you're talking to anybody in a particular scene, you need to have those images. और वो images आपको बनानी पड़ती हैं. तो वो एक प्रोसेस रहा. जगह से और भाषा से और लोगों से तो मैं ऑलरेडी परिचित था. But then specifically अगर character की बात करें, so then I visited those places. I did my own prep in terms of कि कोई इंसान किस तरह से बात करेगा, उसकी psyche क्या है, you know, how is he responding in different situations. वो अगर ऐसे बात करता है तो क्यों करता है, you know, vis-a-vis, why is he not taking this route or this approach in a conversation or with a person per se. So these were the choices and these were the things which kind of helped me in shaping up this character.
Okay. भोपाल का नाम लेके आपने दिल खुश कर दिया. I am right now sitting in Bhopal in my hometown.
अरे क्या बात, बहुत बढ़िया.
Okay. If I see your filmography, you have actually picked certain kind of roles, and you have not given it to the. You might have landed a daily soap easily, but you have not given into the temptation. I want to ask you, how does an actor keep himself busy between projects, between jobs? How do you keep yourself busy and sane?
See, every actor have their own ways of keeping them busy. I can talk about myself. I have been, you know, constantly since last 10-12 years, I have been wanting to do things which excite me in terms of content, in terms of people who are making them. And yeah, I have made certain choices ki yaar, though they were very difficult choices, because when you don't have much choice but you still want to choose, it's quite a scary place to be in, because you know, because it really becomes very tough for you to survive also. But I don't know, I mean, I really tell myself कि कुछ थोड़ा एक पागलपन, एक हल्का सा वो है कि यार choices कम है, लेकिन फिर भी करना तो वही है जो दिल को अच्छा लगता है. I would really say that my family also, you know, they were always like this, कि, you know, कि करना काम वही चाहिए जो आपको पसंद हो. And so this has been like an ecosystem in my own family since I was a kid. They have been really appreciating. But Rajat, मतलब मैं personally, I was constantly doing theatre, you know. मैं, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि though theatre doesn't give you I mean, you can't have much remuneration or money from theatre, unfortunately. लेकिन जो आपके creative juices होते हैं और जो भी आपके अंदर चीजें होती हैं अपने आप को अप्लाई करने के लिए, वो सारी एनर्जी वहां पे लग जाती है. so you can constantly grow in your craft, in your skill. And plus uske alawa I have been doing like, yeah, I was constantly doing ad films with really some good directors. Yeah, I was fortunate to get ad films which were script oriented, where really need to perform. मतलब एडवर्टाइजिंग तो है ही, लेकिन वो स्क्रिप्ट्स ऐसी हैं जिसमें एक छोटी सी फिल्म ही है.
Okay.
So I really enjoyed those experiences also. Like I worked with Vinil Matthew. Vinil Matthew is a very known name in director. As a director, he has made a couple of good films also, and he has done some great work in advertising also.